Hello and welcome. So in this video we will discuss how to use extension method inside the Flutter application. So what is extension method? Flutter extension methods are a way to extend the functionalities of a class without modifying its code. This can be particularly useful when working with third-party libraries or when you want to add your own custom functionalities to a class. First, I will show you few different examples. To define an extension method, you use the extension keyword followed by name of the class you want to extend and series of methods that you want to add. First, I will create new folder called extensions. And inside the extension, I will create new dot file. String utils. And inside the string utils dot file, we will create new extension to check email validation. So first we will use extension keyword, and then we will give a name for the extension. I will give string utils, and then we will add on keyword, and then the name of the class is string class. So then inside the string utils I will add few different methods. First I will create new methods to check email validation. So I create bool is email, and we will return regular expression with boolean value. We will use this regular expression to identify the email. I will give you all the extension in our website, so you can go and use this extension. So check out our video description, and then we will add hash match with this keyword. That's all about email validation extension. So I will use this extension inside the main.dart file. So I created a really simple UI to explain. First I create new material app. Inside the material app I added home screen, and home screen there is app bar, and in the body we will add center widget, and inside the center widget we will add text button with on press and text. So there is no any functionalities at the moment, so I will add functionalities inside the text button on press property. First I create new string called email and add email. So you can define inside the build method also, but I define inside the on press. And then I will add if condition, is email. You can see there is a method is email. It's coming from our utils extension. And I will print valid email address. And let's check our extension. You can see in the console it's valid email address, and I will change the email and then again run, and you can see it is invalid email address. Also again it's valid email address. And if I give number, you can see it is invalid email address. So that's how create email validation extension. If you want, you can use text form field to enter the email. So I'm not going to do that. Next we will create another useful extension method. In this extension we will create to check numeric characters. So I will create another method inside the string utils and return another regular expression and hash match with this. This keyword refers input text like email. I will use this if condition for that to test our new extension. Inside the if condition, input, and then we will see here is the our extension. We will print else we will add another print. Alright, let's check our new extension to check the numeric. You can see the input is numeric, and let's change the value and test it now, and input is not numeric. So that's how create extension to check the numeric values. It's really easy. And then let's create another extension to string capitalization. Let's create our new method. I will add string zero width to uppercase, and then we will add rest of the text to be simple. So I will add dot substring and 1. Oh, all right. So let's test our capitalize methods. So I will use this text to test our new extension. So I will create all the text simple, and then we will test it now. So I will comment this code and print and input. You can see capitalize here. So let's check our new extension. You can see the first letter in hello world capital, and other rest of the text are simple. So another long words here, another example. I will add sorry. Okay, let's check. So you can see the first letter of hi there in capital, and rest of the letters are simple. So let's create another useful extension method that can use to convert string to color. I will define inside the string utils. So I will create color to, I will give you this to color name. This dot replace first, and we will add let's import. Alright, let's check. Let's test our new to color method. I will use this main.dart file to test our new to color extension method. I will add style to the text and text style. Inside the color property, I will add hex value, but you can't assign string values to the color property. So we will convert using our extension. So let's create to color. So then I will save our code, and you can see the text color change according to my hex value. So I will change to another color. So you can see the color change according to our hex value. So here is how you can use our to color method. It's a really useful extension, so you can create your own or visit our website. And then let's create another extension to validate URL. So it's a really useful extension, so you can create inside string utils. First I will create another boolean and then we will add hash match with this keyword. That's all. So let's test our new is valid URL method. So inside the on press, so I will add our website URL and let's check our URL if it is valid or invalid. If you want, you can use if condition, but I'm not going to use if condition. Let's check. In the console, we will get true. That's mean the website URL is valid URL. So I will remove s letter in website URL and let's check, and you can see it's valid URL. And let's remove the HTTP and let's check our URL, and you can see it's a valid URL. And let's remove the domain and let's check, and you can see the return value is false. So and then we will add www and let's check. You can see the return value is true. So that's mean the URL is valid. So that's how you can use this extension to check is valid URL or not. So I will give you all the details in our website so you can use this extension. So that's how we create extension method, and the next video we will create another extensions for the int class, because all the extensions are created for the string class. So the next video we will discuss for the int class. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe our channel to get more valuable contents. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.